I want to talk to you about something that can change the trajectory of your life, something that's critical for personal success, but often overlooked. And that is emotional intelligence. You see, when we think about success, we usually think about skills, knowledge, hard work, strategy. But emotional intelligence, EI, is just as important, if not more. In fact, the people who excel in life, who rise above the crowd, have a high level of emotional intelligence. They don't just know the facts, they know themselves. They know how to connect with others, manage their emotions, and make decisions that lead to success. So let's dive into this idea, what it is, why it matters, and how you can develop it. 1. What is emotional intelligence? Before we talk about developing it, let's first understand it. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions while also recognizing, understanding, and influencing the emotions of others. Now, some people are born with more natural emotional awareness, but the truth is emotional intelligence can be developed. Think of it like this: your intelligence is your ability to solve problems, but emotional intelligence is your ability to navigate life's challenges. It's about being able to stay calm in a storm, to listen actively when someone is upset, to make clear-headed decisions even when emotions are running high. The better your emotional intelligence, the better you handle stress, conflict, and tough situations. And that's a huge advantage in both business and personal life. 2. Why emotional intelligence is the key to success. Now let me ask you a question. What do you think makes the difference between the person who has a great idea but can't seem to make it happen and the person who takes an idea and turns it into a thriving business? It's not just about the idea, it's about how they handle themselves, how they manage their relationships, how they deal with adversity. Think about it. Success in life doesn't come just from working hard, though that's important. It also comes from the way you handle your emotions. How do you deal with stress? How do you respond to criticism? How do you manage your relationships with others? People who have a high level of emotional intelligence are better at navigating these situations. They don't let emotions get the best of them. They don't let a bad day or a tough conversation derail their success. Emotional intelligence is a game changer because it impacts nearly every area of your life: your career, your relationships, your health, and your ability to make good decisions. 3. The 5 components of emotional intelligence. Now I want to break this down for you. There are 5 key components of emotional intelligence that you must develop if you want to succeed in life. 1. Self-awareness. The first step is understanding yourself. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions. It's being able to identify what you're feeling and why you're feeling it. A lot of people go through life on autopilot. They react to situations without understanding why they're reacting that way. They don't realize when they're angry, frustrated, or anxious. But the more self-aware you are, the better you can manage your emotions. If you're aware that you're stressed or upset, you can take a step back, breathe, and choose how to respond rather than just reacting out of emotion. Self-awareness helps you recognize patterns in your behavior and understand what triggers you. This knowledge is power because once you understand yourself, you can begin to change and grow. 2. Self-regulation. The next step is self-regulation, the ability to control or redirect your emotions in a healthy way. When you feel angry or stressed, do you lash out? Or do you take a deep breath and stay calm? People who lack self-regulation tend to let their emotions control them. But those with high emotional intelligence know how to manage their emotions, whether it's frustration, anxiety, or excitement. Self-regulation isn't about suppressing emotions, it's about understanding them and responding to them in a way that doesn't negatively impact your success. For example, when something goes wrong, you don't blow up and quit. Instead, you say, okay, this is part of the journey. I'll handle it with calm and move forward. 3. Motivation. Let me ask you, what keeps you going when things get tough? What keeps you pushing forward when everyone else might give up? That's where motivation comes in. Emotional intelligence isn't just about managing negative emotions, it's also about fueling yourself with positive ones. Motivation is the drive to achieve your goals, no matter the setbacks. It's about finding purpose in the work you do and staying focused on the bigger picture. People with high emotional intelligence are motivated by a sense of purpose, not just by external rewards. They know why they're doing what they're doing. If you can tap into that inner drive, you'll find it much easier to stay on course, even when things get difficult. 4. Empathy. The next key component of emotional intelligence is empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. You see, success in life isn't just about yourself. It's about how you connect with others, how you understand their emotions and respond to them in a way that builds trust and rapport. If you can empathize with others, you can form deeper, more meaningful relationships. And those relationships are often the key to success, whether it's in business, personal life, or community. Empathy allows you to recognize when someone else is upset, frustrated, or excited. You can listen without judgment and respond in a way that makes people feel understood and valued. 5. Social skills. Lastly, social skills are the ability to manage relationships and communicate effectively. This is where the rubber meets the road. You might be self-aware, you might be able to manage your emotions, but if you can't communicate and build relationships with others, you're missing a huge part of the puzzle. Social skills involve things like listening actively, giving constructive feedback, managing conflicts, building rapport, inspiring and motivating others. People with high emotional intelligence are able to build strong, positive relationships. They know how to navigate social dynamics and communicate in a way that inspires action and cooperation. 4. How to develop emotional intelligence. Now let's talk about how you can develop these skills. Because emotional intelligence is not something you're born with, it's something you can grow. Start with self-awareness. Spend time reflecting on your emotions. When you feel angry or sad, take a moment to pause and ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What triggered it? Practice self-regulation. When emotions get intense, practice deep breathing or take a short break to regain control. Recognize that you have a choice in how you respond. Set clear, meaningful goals. This is where motivation comes in. Find out what drives you, what excites you, and use that as fuel to push through challenges. Listen actively. When you talk to others, listen with the intention of understanding, not just responding. This helps you develop empathy and build stronger relationships. Learn to manage conflict. If you find yourself in a disagreement, focus on solutions, not blame. Use your social skills to keep the conversation respectful and constructive. Finally, emotional intelligence isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have. It's a key ingredient for success in life and business. If you want to be successful, you need to understand not just what's going on around you, but what's going on inside you and inside the people you interact with. So I challenge you, starting today, become more self-aware, practice emotional control, and build better relationships. These skills will set you apart and lead you to greater success than you ever thought possible. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill you can develop. And like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. So get started today, because your success is just one great emotional decision away.